So the rumored Galaxy S20 FE is finally coming this year in October, and for those who don't know, the FE stands for Fan Edition in it. And it would be kind of like a special fan edition phone for those of who can't afford those expensive flagships. And well, it is going to be a serious competitor to the base iPhone 12, costing roughly the same price, and some sources suggest that it would be $750, which is incredibly low for this kind of phone. So according to leaks, it is going to pack 8GB RAM, 128GB of storage, as well as a microSD card slot, along with Snapdragon 865 or Exynos 990 chipsets, depending on your region. And as of the battery size, it would be 4500 mAh, which is quite a hefty amount, along with 25 watt of fast charging to juice it up quickly. And as of the display, we're going to get a 6.5-inch 1080p 120Hz AMOLED display, which is even better than that of the latest Galaxy Note 20 that costs $1,000 and comes with a 60Hz display. And also it will be flat, unlike the other S20s, which are curved, and the hole punch would still be in the middle, and the bezels would be quite slim too. It is going to have a plastic bag, and it would still support wireless charging and have IP68 water and dust resistant. And there would be a camera module which would be quite similar to the Galaxy Note 20, housing triple cameras with 12MP main camera, 12MP ultrawide camera, and an 8MP telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and also a 10MP front camera. And it is coming in a bunch of new colors like black, yellow, blue, red, white, green, and orange with a matte finish. So that's quite an assortment of colors. But like ZTechCare said in the video, the timing of it is quite bad. It is launching in October at the end of this year, which seems like a bad choice. Like at that point, the regular S20 would be available for less than that on Amazon and eBay. But that also depends on the region, so I guess we can live with that. So it's like the next version of S10 Lite, and on paper it seems quite good, and unlike the ridiculously overpriced Galaxy Note 20, it is quite worth the price. So let me know down in the comment section below what do you guys think about it, and make sure you subscribe with the bell icon, and also drop a like if you enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.